Marabas is a greater demon placed in service to the Lord of Change, Tzeentch. Among the first changer of ways encountered by the Emperor's Holy Inquisition within the Calixis sector, this fell entity harried the Angevin Crusade, inspiring loyal worlds to enact rebellion across dozens of fiefdoms. Records taken from the Tricorn Palace of Hive Sibyllus on the world of Scintilla, detailing its widespread destruction wrought. These records of the Calixian Conclave tell of mass insurrection as myriad chaos cults took up the banner of the Great Conspirator. The demon hunter Zalin, banishing Marbas for 1,000 years following their clash upon the hive world of Malfi. Having been gone for millennia, the resurgence of this Lord of Change has been ill-countered, with the Ordos having forgotten the trials that beset their forefathers. Growing strong during its exile, burgeoning a grudge which shall once more be unleashed upon the Calixis sector. Its ultimate revenge paved with the corpses of millions, now that the architects of its shame have long shuffled their mortal coils. Sowing thousands of complicated, if not contradictory schemes, some of which shall not reach fruition for centuries, if not longer. This overlord puppeteers from the shadows, working through its mortal thralls to achieve its ambitions. Protected by rabid cultists who throw away their lives to preserve their master. Though none know wherein the terminal of Marabas' plot shall be, all with knowledge of its deeds, brace for an era of misery to come.